This product engineer has designed a staircase assembly with customizable parameters for the key dimensions and other characteristics like railings, risers, and materials. They've added logic to dynamically update the rise, number of steps, and other values based on the size of the staircase. They've also created 2 model states, one with a level of detail suitable for BIM, and another containing all the manufacturing detail needed for fabrication. The engineer creates a new product definition, names it, and identifies the project and folder containing its dependents. Templates for drawings may be selected from the available files. Parameters to be customized are chosen and rearranged as needed for the form. Blockly is used to define constraints for staircase customization in Revit. Blocks can customize labels in the form, set constraints for minimum, maximum, and increment values, establish dependencies between parameters, display informative messages, and more. The visual programming interface makes it easy to define logic without traditional coding. The product engineer tests the rules against the model to ensure that the staircase reconfigures and updates as expected. This involves entering values and selecting options in the form, passing these values to the model, and refining the rules until the desired product configuration behavior is achieved. Various output types can be included with each product to be published. For Revit, a category and family name are assigned, and the simplified model state intended for the BIM context is specified. Drawing files can be included in their native format, PDF, or both. For the bill of materials and other neutral file formats, the product engineer can include 1 or more representations from Inventor's model states. Any logic present in the Inventor model or drawings is excluded from output files, safeguarding the business's intellectual property. After publishing to the Autodesk Construction Cloud, project collaborators can utilize the staircase as its manufacturer intended.